Lolly, lollipop. Lolly, lollipop. Oi, oi. Wake up.
Yeah, fool.
Lolly, lolly.
Man.
Back your
Man,
guts,
man. Sure.
Oh, shut up. Get up. Come on, let's go do laundry.
Not doing
Come
tired.
on.
Tired. We could do laundry. Man, just go to the laundry. It's not a lot of clothes. We could go laundry next week.
Next week, homie. Listen, laundry is supposed to be done every week. Don't be dirty, sir. Get up.
Alright, baby. Alright, let me give me 5 minutes.
Come on.
Give me 5 minutes so I can get up.
Hurry up, come on. We got the laundry. One woman. Always pretty woman. This man is so dirty and lazy. You don't want to do laundry. What the hell you got in the pocket? Babe. We can, yeah, you know what? We could definitely do laundry in a week or two. Okay, honey? We could do that. It's mine now.
It's even like having like my truck. What? Babes! What babes? I hope you don't got a laundry yet. How much money there? Oh. Oh, super. We have our last night. No man, show me money there. No man, go out to be able to money there down man. Money for me rent it on my truck. What's this? Babes!
Girl, tell me why I went, I was about to do laundry and I couldn't find money and shit. Like, deadass. I don't know where I found money from. Dead better be my turn. Let me call you back.
Babes!
Hey, baby.
You got the lunch this morning?
No, you said
So
that.
babe, I left money in the pocket last night to pay the rent and no money in it.
You said that we was gonna do the laundry in a week or two, and I agreed. I said, "Fuck it, we just do it in a week or two." I didn't find anything.
So babes, I'm coming here and see the money drop out?
No, not at all. I would have told you. You know that.
Babes, what? It's almost $700 in the pocket, you know?
I'm sorry. What?
Almost $700 in the pocket. I'm put in the pocket so we can pay the rent today.
So how is that gonna happen now?
Never look, babes. What do we find? Babe! Babe?
Yeah.
We're going to lunch in the morning?
No, I'll go myself. Actually, it's all good. It's not much clothes, so I'll just go by myself.
Alright then, babe.
All right, boo. Good night.
Good night.
I'm in bed just now.
Alright. Make sure your door lock, okay?
Of course, I got it.
Alright.
Yeah, boy.
Marvin.
Get up.
Babes, where you going good?
What is this?
Babes, where you find that?
What the fuck is this?
Babes, where you find condom wrapper?
In your pocket, honey bun. What is this?
Babes, where you hold the gun? Babes, where you get gun from?
What? And it's open. What the fuck you use? When? You're cheating on me?
Babes, which pocket you find that in?
In your pants pocket.
You remember last week when I lose my $700? I mean, I said, Babes, did you see my money?
I ain't
Right?
seen no damn money.
You didn't see no money.
I ain't seen no goddamn
This
money.
damn wrapper, I did not use it last time I go to my bed. I make sure I put it in the same pocket to see my money missing. Babe, where my money at? Where my money at? Yeah, babe, where my money?
Don't play with me.
Where my money at? I need my money. We got to pay my rent. I need my money. You don't know, say Yaadvybz TV and we have...
Short sweetness.
Yep. Make sure to follow her on Instagram at...
Short sweetness _.
Alright. Alright, so thank you guys for watching that little short
Mini film.
you know what I'm saying?
Mini skit.
Make sure to like, comment,
Subscribe.
please subscribe.
Subscribe. And
Alright.
click the notification bell on top.
And go follow our page, she do like makeup.
So my makeup page is beautified by Chris
Alright.
_ MUA.
I'll put it right somewhere around there. Somewhere in there, so.
Right here.
Alright, she's right there, so. Yeah, and we have some shirt coming out. So this one said, see I'm blind, here and there. I don't know what that means. This one said, I know where that go.
We only live once.
This one go, you know, a G don't hold it like a G. And this one said, hold on.
Don't waste my time. Time is ka-ching.
Money. Woo.